Industry 4.0 is happening now. If Industry 4.0 is the skeleton, then AI is the brain powering it all. AI transforms data into insight, experience into knowledge, and action into autonomous decisions. It's enabling systems to think, learn, and create on their own. In R&D, generative AI speeds up innovation by analyzing research data, generating manuals, and creating better design alternatives. It helps break through bottlenecks and turn ideas into reality faster. On the factory floor, generative AI empowers lean and flexible production by optimizing production schedules, enabling real-time quality monitoring, and predicting equipment failures before they occur. When faced with demand fluctuations and logistics bottlenecks, AI helps businesses build flexible and resilient supply chains through real-time demand forecasting, intelligent sorting, and automatic inventory optimization. In the face of large and diverse customer markets, AI utilizes real-time customer behavior analysis, intelligent recommendation systems, and smart customer service solutions to help businesses accurately understand market demands, optimize marketing strategies, and enhance customer conversion rates and brand loyalty. Within organizations, generative AI streamlines day-to-day operations by enhancing employee training, education, and accelerating contract reimbursement approvals. It ensures cross-team collaboration and data-driven decisions across the business. Nowadays, AI is not just a tool, but a true partner. It's a new era where humans and machines thrive together.